on the other side.
Yeah,
That's usually where we park. But we were talking to
Once I get
them.
to an apartment, though,
You see how it's like bobbing on somewhere,
Yeah.
and his vendors aren't even like protecting him from the
I'm gonna
You just stop anyway. Just let it.
I'm gonna buy it brown.
Just let it be brown. God made it brown, and let's go brown. Just let it be brown. Yeah, so was I. I used to not be gray. That's what happens. I still got hair, so amen. I'm gonna.
I tried.
Look at these people are trying to.
For my wedding, no, I had it blonde.
Hopefully they don't decide they're gonna tie it next.
Good, how you doing? See ya.
Light on!
All right, Ron, we got a load. You can get on the big one. This is Jamie's new book.
Wow. So what are we doing now?
I don't know. I mean, we might as well just walk into town, I guess. Unless you want to go for a boat ride now.
I'm hungry. I'm hungry.